When you're on web pages, you encounter different types of forms. A couple of those include list boxes and combo boxes. So here's a little hands-on activity to demonstrate that concept. So I have a box here, a small box. I'm going to open it up, and inside I have 3 plastic animals. There's a goat, a chicken, and a dog. So if you were asked on a web page what your favorite animal is, and you were given a list box, it might provide 3 options: goat, chicken, and dog. And those are the only choices you would have. You can only choose one of them. So a combo box would add in an edit field. So if your favorite animal was a horse, you could write that in. So it's a combination box of a list box and an edit field. So let's hear how that sounds with JAWS.
Favorite animal left paren optional right paren edit combo collapsed. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Favorite animal left paren optional right paren suggestions list box. Red panda, 1 of 6. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
So here's the list box.
Cat, 2 of 6. Dog, 3 of 6. Aardvark, 4 of 6. Kangaroo, 5 of 6. Snake, 6 of 6. Favorite animal left paren optional right paren edit combo expanded. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
Okay, now I can type what I want.
HORSE.
Okay.